Yeah?
Yeah.
Second gear. So you're going to slow down this time and let that car pass, yeah?
Yeah.
How are you going to prepare for left down? Mirrors. Good, now your approach. Remember last time you went a bit wide here?
Yeah.
So this time you're going to try to get down your side, but not on the
For a
curb.
clean up.
Look again. Good. Look where you're going now. Forget about down there. Good. Touch your curb. Back on the gas now. You're checking the mirror too much. It's only take about one. Yeah?
Yeah.
The reason why I stopped you there.
Yeah, because I was going too
twist
far.
your hand and going over, yeah? Because you twist the hand like this so you didn't have any steering power. Yeah? You
Yeah.
have to have the hand to move, okay? Let me help you out now. Give me a little gas. Right. It's good. It's back to you now. Continue.
So the way I was like, the one person came down, I was like, oh god.
It's
And like,
because
I
you
tried
put
to.
your hand like this, yeah? If you like this, you could have stayed back. So when you move the other way, your hand couldn't come back because you stopped it over there, okay?
Yeah.
Take it easy. Second gear now.